Okay. It is a crispy one. What we're doing today is, you guys remember last year we had the motor refreshed by our boys over in Georgia, American Speed Shops. They sponsored the Bullet all year long, and now looks like we're gonna go at it again. We're actually gonna get the Bullet's LSX back into their hands to get it refreshed. They happen to be in Dallas today. So I am going to intercept them on their way back home, hand them over the motor so they can get started on it, and we can get the ball rolling a lot faster. As planned, let's get going. Got the motor all wrapped up nice and safe so we can stick in the back of the truck. There's no forecast for rain, but I did want to be safe anyways. I also have a tarp I'm going to throw on top of it just in case. And then in this tub, I went ahead and put all the other parts, all the bolts and nuts organized nice and neat in baggies, the piston, all my rocker, push rods, the pickup tube, the flywheel, the lifters, everything that he's gonna need in order to get this thing refreshed. I'm not sending the heads with him because, like I said, we are planning on doing something with that here in the near future. The motor's ready and I go pick it up. I'm gonna bring the cylinder heads with me so we can do just a small install video for you guys with Hunter. Going Dallas bound, but first.
And this shit's loud at the gate, right? And the guy finally picked up, right? And he's like, yeah, I got name and address. Like, I hear him coming already. Turbojet engine. He couldn't even hear.
What does it sound like?
I'd rather hear your car.
Sound kind of jealous, to be honest.
Oh, no, this shit's loud. Kids, I gotta go to school.
Yeah. No, bro.
It's a long trip, man.
No, bro.
Gotta get the seeds, bro.
No.
Gotta get them. Gotta get them.
Alright, we made it all the way trip, but I don't know how I feel about just leaving this thing, $10,000 motor here, just like, hanging out in the back. Like, so oh man, box. My old plan came off.
Bro, what did you even screw it on there with?
I hand tight. There's the screws right there. They vibrated off. They vibrated off. So much for the wrap job. So put the wrap on it to keep it nice and secure. The oil pan's just hanging off of it.
Unlock it?
No, just leave it closed. Just put the tarp over it. Yeah. Yeah.
Got it?
Don't pay no mind, people. Don't pay no mind. They'll be like, what's in here?
Come on, they would need a lift to steal that shit, probably.
As much as it weighs, you're probably right. I feel like...
Does the exhaust actually come out of the barrels? That's fucking awesome.
Andy needs the tractor seat.
Dude, that's so badass.
Yeah.
Ah,
And they
oh
spin.
my God.
No, they
That's
don't.
awesome.
Not just do they come out of the exhaust, but they also spin.
Way cooler than
Yeah.
this.
Can you hit it? Can you hit it one more time for us? Oh, here we go.
Look at that. That's crazy, man.
That's badass.
Does the exhaust actually...
Definitely cooler than Andy's.
Yes, yeah, it looks faster. It's got rockets on it.
Oh yeah, definitely faster.
Yeah,
Probably safer too.
probably makes more horsepower than that little inhaler he's got on his.
We're here at the Gas Monkey Bar and Grill, Dallas, Texas, meeting up with my boy. That was Hunter, if you guys don't remember. He's the owner of American Speed Shops. The link to his YouTube channel is in my description if you guys want to go check out. He's making some videos. But we're here meeting up with him so we can drop off the LSX block while he's here, so he can take it home and get it fixed up for us. Just hanging off one side.
Yeah. You then.
I'll trade you.
I'll trade you.
Let's see, Poppy. Let's see.
How do you want it?
This,
Sideways or?
no, just straight, just like that.
Well, we need to put that in.
Yeah, we'll throw the box over.
Now. Don't matter now.
How long have you been tuning? That's what I'm tuning.
Huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's a mess. No, it's not bad at all. It shouldn't
Yeah.
be hard to fix. So, I don't know. We'll probably have a few hours in fixing it. So maybe I can get you to come out and help me put it together.
Yes, that's the plan.
Heck yeah.
Okay, so big shout out to this guy right here. He's gonna take care of the LSX for us. And yeah, stay tuned because we're gonna go over to his shop when it's ready, make a little video together and go from there, right?
Do you have the same camera as me?
Yeah. She's so nice.
What are you copying me for?
Come on, bro. I had it first. You know that. Bye, Gas Monkey. Not seeing ya. What'd you think of the Gas Monkey experience, Solomon?
Those are right.
Yeah?
Bathrooms are a little different, but it's okay.
Yeah. It's the one thing you notice, huh? Let's go home. How about that?
Nah, yeah, let's go fucking home. You got a long fucking drive.
Not really.
Not
You're
really.
driving next. I need to edit. You need to drive, please.
It's not part of the deal.
What do you mean?
That's not part of the deal. You never said that.
You can't drive? You got a foot? Let me see. You got a foot?
It hurts right now.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
God, get pooped on. Final Buc-ee's stop. Filling up with some diesel. We've been arguing for like the last hour about Solomon taking a turn driving. And finally,
Put it on 2 and 4.
finally got him in the driver's seat so I can take a break from driving. Thank you. You're finally gonna get to see what a real truck's supposed to be like.
Not on 2 and 2? I think that should 2 and 4.
I mean, 2 and 1 will still drag your truck, so finally get to drive a real man's truck.
I'm gonna fucking spray on my truck, and I'm gonna race you, and then I'm gonna beat you.
You ain't putting straight on that thing.
I won't fucking buy nitrous now.
Your wife will not let you put nitrous on that truck.
Fuck that, she don't care. She don't even know.
I'm gonna tell her. Tell her, be like, hey, we'll send her a message on Facebook. Hey, your husband's put nitrous on his truck.
Tell him to show you the credit card that you don't know about.
Yeah. He just sent me $2,000 for a nitrous kit. I don't know. I wasn't sure if I'd send it to your house or.
Tell him it's not responding.
He said not to
Where should I
say.
send this money to?
Yeah. Anyways, that's it for our trip. Finish filling up, get home, get back to work on the car. We got just a couple little things left. Wait on the motor. Once that's completed, we can go to Hunter, pick it up, and get the car finished. But we're almost there. Hang tight. We're gonna get back to work. Rice Krispies treat.
Man, it's like if you were to get Fruity Pebbles, condense it down with marshmallows, this is what it would be.